I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. If you need help in this training and if you want to deal for this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. And we will deal for this complete course and this assignments, exam and cap assessment and capstone. I will handle your complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, cap assessment, capstone, assignment, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. So we will click on Excel chapter 9 simulation training. This training will be open. Okay, I can do all online courses. My lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. If you want to deal for this complete course, I can do all my lab IT courses: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. So you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. So we will click on launch button. Question number 1 is that group the QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4 and yearly total sheets. Simply we will group this sheet, we will select QTR1 sheet and press Ctrl and then we will select this all 4 sheets. Okay. With the QTR1 worksheet displayed, fill the contents and formatting in cell A1 across all worksheets. We will click on cell. Sorry, we will go to QTR1 worksheet. Okay. And click on cell A1 on the QTR1 worksheet. And go to the home tab in the editing group, click on fill button. So we will click on across, fill across worksheet and we will click on or checkbox and click on OK button. So fill contents and formatting of the headings information in range A2 to A10 on the QTR1 worksheet across all worksheet. We will select this range A2 to A10 and go to the home tab and in the editing group and we will click on fill button. So we will click on across worksheet button. So we will click on across worksheet button. Okay. So we will click on all checkbox, fill across worksheet all, click on OK button. 1 second. Okay. So we will click on OK button and this question will be done. So ungroup the worksheet, we will right click on QTR1 sheet, click on ungroup sheet. Okay. Question number 1 is done. So I am going to do question number 2 of this training. In question number 2, group the QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4 and yearly total sheets. Simply, we will select QTR1 worksheet and press Ctrl and then we will select QTR2, QTR3, QTR4 and yearly worksheet. So with the worksheet group, change the width of column A to 18 points. We will select column A, right click on column A, click on column width button. Okay, in the data of column width to 18, click on OK button. So column width A width will be changed. So ungroup the worksheet, right click on QTR1 worksheet, click on ungroup sheets. So group the QTR1 to QTR4 worksheet, use auto sum to simultaneously total the value QTR1 to QTR4, press Ctrl and select this all worksheet QTR1 through QTR4. You can see this all 4 sheet is grouped now. So use the auto sum to simultaneously total the value of the data in the range B3 to E11, B3 to E11, B3 to E11. We will select this B3 to E11 and go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button. Okay. So group the QTR 1 through QT4 auto sum simultaneously total the value of data in the range B3 to E11 simultaneously format the range B3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using the accounting number format B3 to E3 and press Ctrl and then select B11 to E11, and we will go to the home tab. In the number group we will apply accounting number format in the number group. So type monthly totals in cell A11. We will click on cell A11 and we will type monthly totals. Monthly totals. Okay, type monthly totals. And in cell E2 we will type depth totals. In cell E2 we will type depth totals. DEPT depth dot totals. This question is done now, so I am going to do next question of this training in question number 3. On the yearly totals worksheet, insert a hyperlink in cell B2 to the range E2 to E11. In the QTR1 worksheet, include the screen tip QTR1 totals. Okay, on the yearly total worksheet, insert a hyperlink in cell B2. Click on cell B2 to the range B2 to E11. Right click on this, click on link. So place in this document text to display. First we will select QTR1 worksheet, include screen tip text. Type the cell references E2 to E11, cell references E2 to E11, E2 to E11. So the include the screen tip text is QTR1 totals. QTR1 total screen tip text QTR1 totals. So we'll click on OK button. Again click on OK. Insert a hyperlink in cell C2 to the range E2 to E11. Okay, insert a hyperlink in cell C2. Right click on cell C2 and click on link button. Click on link button. So place in this document and the we will select QTR2 and type in cell references E2 to E11, E2 to E11. So QTR2. So screen tip text QTR2 totals. QTR2 totals. So we will click on OK button. Again click on OK. This question is done. So the next point, insert a hyperlink in cell D2. Right click on cell D2, click on link button, click on place in this document. So type the cell references E2 to E11. So QTR3 and include the screen tip QTR3 total. Click on screen tip. First we will type in this cell references E2 to E11. E2 to E11. So click on screen tip. QTR3 total is the screen tip. So we will click on OK button. Again click on OK button. Insert the hyperlink in cell E2. We will click on cell E2. Right click on cell E2. Click on link button. So place in this document. Select sorry, in the QTR4 worksheet. Okay, we will select QTR4 worksheet and type in cell references E2 to E11. E2 to E11. So the screen tip text display QTR4 totals. QTR4 totals. Click on OK button. Again click on OK button. Click the hyperlink in cell E2. Click on cell E2. Okay, question is done now. So the next question is question number 4. Select the yearly totals, consolidated and future worksheets. Hide the selected worksheet. Okay, select the yearly total, consolidated and future worksheet. We select yearly total worksheet, press Control and then we will select consolidated and future worksheet. Then this sheets will be grouped. So we'll hide the selected worksheet. So we will hide the right click on this, click on hide button. This selected sheets will be hidden with the QTR4 sheet active. Unhide the yearly totals and consolidated worksheet with the QTR4 sheet active. Unhide the yearly total and consolidated worksheet. Click on unhide button. So we'll select consolidated and yearly worksheet. Yearly total and consolidated worksheet will be selected and click on OK button. These sheets will be unhide. Select both sheets, yearly total and consolidated. Click on OK. Both sheets will be unhide. So I am going to do fifth question of this training. Open the new windows within the book workbook so that all 4 windows display the Tier 1 worksheet. Go to the view group. In the window group, click on new window. Arrange the window of active workbook so that they are tiled on the screen. Go to the developer tab, go to the view tab. In the window group, click on arrange all button. So we will select this checkbox tile and click on window of active worksheet checkbox and click on OK. Question is done now. So I am going to do sixth question of this training. Question number 6 is that in question number 6, enter the label quarterly total in cell A11. Click on cell A11. Where is cell A11? We will enter the label quarterly total in cell A11. Enter QUARTERLY totals, quarterly totals. Press enter. So in cell B3, insert a relative references to cell E3 and the QTR1 worksheet. Use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell B11. In cell B3, insert a relative references in cell to cell E3 on QTR1 worksheet. Click on cell B3, press is equal to and insert relative references to cell E3 on the QTR1 worksheet. Click on QTR1 worksheet, click on cell E3 and press enter. So use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell B11. So cell B11. One second. Okay, question is completed. Now I am going to do next question of this training is question number 7. In cell F3, insert a 3D formula to sum the value of E3 cross QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 sheets. We will click on cell F3, press is equal to and we will go to cell QTR1 worksheet, click on cell E3, then we will go to plus go to your 2 worksheet. Okay, first we will press is equal to in cell F3. So we will go to your 1 worksheet, click on cell E3 plus go to your 2 worksheet, click on cell E3 plus go to your 3 worksheet and click on cell E3. Go to your 3 worksheet, click on cell E3 on go to your 3 worksheet. So plus go to your 4 worksheet and click on cell E3. So we will press enter. This question is done now. So copy the function and cell F3 to the range F4 to F11. Apply the count number format to the cell F3 and F11. We will click on cell F3 and cell F11 and go to the home tab in the number group. Apply accounting number format. Okay. Apply common style to the range B4 to F10. We will select this range B4 to F10. B4 to F10 and apply comma style on this range. Select the range B11 to F11 and apply the total cell style. Go to the home tab in the style group, click on cell style button and we will apply total cell style. So you can see I have done 8 question out of 19 question. If you need help in this training and you if you need help in this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I can do all my library courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, and I am also handling all online other courses like MyLab Math, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, Macroeconomics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Literature, Medical, and Writing courses. Okay. You can easily contact me and my WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me. I will handle your complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, cap assessment, capstone, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.